Welcome to this tutorial on how to uninstall Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. This app offers absolute protection for your Mac against all cyber threats, with no impact on speed or performance. However, if you have decided you no longer wish to use Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac, such as because your subscription has lapsed, it's easy to uninstall it. Here's what you need to do. The first step is to open the Applications folder on your Mac. To do this, click the Finder icon in the dock, then click Applications in the sidebar of the Finder window. If the Finder icon isn't in the dock, click on an empty area of your desktop. After that, click on Go in the menu bar and select Applications in the menu. In the Applications window, open the Bitdefender folder and double-click on the Bitdefender uninstaller icon. A window will pop up. Tick the Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac checkbox. To uninstall Bitdefender VPN as well, select both checkboxes. Then click the Uninstall button to begin the uninstallation process. Enter your Mac's administrator password when requested and click on the OK button to complete the task. Wait for the process to finish. Then click on Close. A survey will open in your web browser, which you can take or exit out. It's that simple to uninstall Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender support website.